Manager Maharashtra and Goa, and Goa is a part of this our region, and this is our new enhanced capacity, a new hub which we are opening at Goa, bigger capacity, just which will be catering for Goa state only. And we have got the largest connectivity from here, direct connectivity to north, to Hubli, to Pune, Mumbai, to Chennai, all across the country. We cover every inch and square of the country. All pin codes, more than 30,000 pin codes are covered by Safe Express. Safe Express is the largest express cargo company, recognized by Limca Book of World Records also. So this is the facility for Goa state.
We have got from Goa now.
With this new facility, Goa is connected with Pan India for inbound also. Whatever is coming to Goa, Goa is a big consumption center. So we, being a Pan India company, everything from to Goa is very fast. We are the fastest company, express cargo company in the country. Next, with this bigger facility coming up, there would be a lot of opportunities, employment opportunities for the local people here also, and we employ a lot of local people also in direct and indirect employment. We will be putting new vehicles, new routes, so people will get this new employment opportunities here.